another video. So today I'll be doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial. You're gonna grab your eyebrow pencil. I have this dark brown one, two-sided dark brown pencil, some concealer, some LA Girl Pro concealer. So you need a concealer and a eyebrow pencil. Also you need a spoolie. You use the spoolie to brush your eyebrows in place. Then you're gonna go in with your eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. You're gonna outline your eyebrow, fill it in. You're gonna get it to the shape you want it to, or the size you want to. And there we go. Gonna outline and fill it in. Now you're gonna grab your spoolie, you're gonna brush the eyebrows in place. You're gonna brush the front of the eyebrow. The spoolie helps to lay the hair down. It also helps to get your eyebrow as flawless as possible without any lumps or bumps or any blunt shapes that isn't supposed to be in your eyebrow. Alright guys, now you're gonna grab your concealer. I have the dark one in the shade Cappuccino. Then you're gonna grab another one, a light concealer in the shade Fawn, if these are the shades you use. Alright guys, you're gonna use both of them, one for the upper on top of the eyebrow, which is the darker one, and below the eyebrow you're gonna use the lighter one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes guys. Then you're gonna grab your concealer brush to conceal your eyebrow. You wanna ensure that you put some of the concealer on the back of your arm, just so you will be able to take enough and leave some if you don't want too much. So guys, I'm watching a movie and I did this video some while back, so I just downloaded it from the Google backup storage, and I am editing it now. Now you're gonna grab your mirror. You want to ensure that you have a mirror as close to your face as possible. Guys, I forgot to mention that whenever you're going to do your eyebrows, you want to ensure that the edges are clean. So if you have to shave it, shave it. If you have to wax it, wax it. Alright? So you're going to use the brush to outline the outer portion of your eyebrows to get it in the shape you directly want it in. And you can do this, you can use this method to do any shape eyebrow. Darker shade on top, and there we go. Ooh, baby, baby, look at that guys. You want to go over to make it concise and precise in the shape you want it to be. You're gonna clean up the edges of the eyebrow with the concealer and a concealer brush. And there we go. You can also use the brush to blend out the excess concealer from underneath the eyebrow whenever you're doing this. Moving on to the next one. Sorry guys, the mirror. There we go. Brick, one brick. Brick, one brick, one brick. You also want to look in the mirror to ensure that both eyebrows are on the same size. Remember guys, you want to ensure that your eyebrows are on the same size, but guess what? It is not going to happen. Your eyebrows are not going to be in the same shape. They might have the almost similar shape, but they won't be in the same shape. Alright guys, you want to ensure that you're looking in a mirror to get the eyebrow done properly. There we go. And guys, I always have problems doing my right eyebrow, my left eyebrow better than the right one, because I'm right-handed, so the right one tends to do better. Yep, so I think that's about it. You're gonna correct anything you want to be correct, that wants to be corrected. Now you're gonna grab your concealer brush. You're gonna use a little concealer on the brush to smear out the front of the eyebrow, just to ensure that it looks as natural as possible, guys. You don't want your eyebrows to be looking like a triangle bottom or a square. Alright guys, then you're gonna grab your blending brush, and this is what you're gonna use to blend. You're gonna blend like your life depends on it, guys, because if you don't blend, you're gonna look like a ghost. Alright, so you're gonna blend out under the bottom of the eyebrow. You want to ensure that there's no smears, no unusual lines on the blending. Whenever you're blending, you're gonna blend the top of the eyebrow. You always want to ensure that the concealer is blend right